Alright guys, so I received this deposit just from working. This sweatcoin was sent to me straight to my Bitget account. Not only this, I also have this one also. Okay, this one is TRX, so it's not part. This is sweat. I received it successfully right here just by working on your mobile phone, right? It's really simple. I will teach you a step-by-step tutorial in my next video, but this one I want to go through all the highlights in how you can make this possible. So I want you to head over to your Play Store or your App Store, and I want you to download this app called Sweatcoin right here. So this is it, the Sweatcoin. After you are done, you create an account with your email address right here. So as you can see, the total number of steps that I have today is 622 right here. I have not worked this morning, so that's why I have not worked that much. I just went from my my morning church and all those stuff. So this is what you're gonna do right here. You see 0 steps today, so you have to grant it access, right, to read your steps. All right, and that's it. That's the first step to do it. So you just walk and then you'll be getting these coins right here. You'll be getting these steps, and then you can see from my insight there are so many steps that I have, and I've been able to generate this Sweatcoin right here. And they have their daily rewards right here where you can claim. Also they have all these things, and after you are done with this theory, they will give you a spin and win where you can also use to boost it. And they have 2 times boost where you can when you work maybe 1,000 and this 20 minutes is over, they'll give you 2,000, like times 2 of whatever you are able to work. That's what they are going to give you. So after you are done with this, I want you to head over to your Play Store or your App Store again and download this app called Sweat Wallet right here. So when you download the Sweat Wallet, you have to link your Sweatcoin account to this one. I've already done mine, so I can't show you really. I said this is the highlight of it. I said this is the highlights. I will show you the full tutorial in my next video. I'm just showing the highlights. So this is my total balance. I've already withdrawn some, and this is my total balance, and then this is the available 2.29. So when you come to my portfolio, I also have this near protocol right here. They grow. I'm growing multiple jars right here. There are so many jars I'm growing right here. As you can see, there are rewards and every single thing right here, guys. So this is just the highlight on how to gain it, right? It's just free. Just walk and then boom, your total balance will be updated each and every single day. One Sweatcoin is currently 0 points, as you can see from the top right corner, 0.007. all right, so you have to hop on this faster and then mine as much as you can, work as much as you can, and then profit from it, right? So this is the highlight for this. You just work on your Sweatcoin and then your balance will be updated right here. You just, when you want to withdraw, just transfer, go to Sweat right here. I will show you every single thing in my next video, which will be the full tutorial and how to learn and also earn these coins for free right here. No investment required. So guys, this is what I have for you. In my next video, I'm going to show you every single thing on how to set this up the proper way to earn free crypto. So if you're new to this channel, what you have to do is you have to like this video to help me know this video is valuable to you. Subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll be there to answer each and everyone's question right there. And if you think something is wrong with this video or anything that you want, just comment anything down in the comment section. I will be there to meet you. So see you in my very next one, guys.